twist and pull, or you just turn it like that. Okay, because it's just a hook and it unlocks it. So you go like that, and that unlocks it from the bottom. You see it operating. Now you can let go of the lock, and then the hydraulic brings it all the way down, and then you unfold it. It's on the ground. Now you can unfold it. Unfold it. You stand on it, put your load on, and then go up. So you got to hold it open to unlock it here. Go all the way up. You got to go down. So now we're going to fold it back up.
Perfect.
That's your safety.